umama uqashwa kwakhe eBI. Umama usebenzile eBI endikhulisa endifundisa ngemali yaseBI. Sikhulile thina umama esithenga ukutya ngemali yaseBI wasifundisa. Ndiye eJoseph ngoJanuwari 2021. Mna ndiye ndakhetha uNomakhaya icandelo lezempilo. Sifundisiwe ke koNomakhaya, ndiyi-intern koNomakhaya, ndisebenza noNomakhaya. Ndisebenza eBI, ndisebenza kwicandelo lezempilo ndinguNomakhaya, ndijongana nempilo zabantu. iBI idlale indima enkulu kakhulu efemelini yami.
We are the catalyst of the development in our area, where, as we say, we are an incubator, where we want to see the development of people and the improvement of their lives, day-to-day lives, through different projects that we are doing.
When the NGO was started back in 2004, there were no access roads in the village. The L side were very far. Operational schools were far from the village.
It essentially started as a crisis response to a child mortality rate that was off the scales by any measure. And then in 2007, we decided to launch a non-profit entity, and that's when the Bulungula Incubator was born. The Bulungula Incubator then slowly started adding the services that needed to support good outcomes in our early projects, and that's why the Preconception-to-Career program came about. So in 2009, we opened the very first preschool, which was the Jujurga preschool. And the children who were part of the inaugural class in 2009, in our grade R class, they received all the healthcare primary healthcare that they needed as they were growing, which included growth and weight monitoring to ensure healthy physical development. They went on to graduate and then participate in our Tablet Chomis program, which is an e-learning program for mathematics and literacy at the government primary schools. And then from there, in 2019, we opened the Bulungula College, which provides senior high school education, grades 10, 11, 12, because there's still no access to any schooling to complete your high school education in this region as yet. So the children that were part of our inaugural class in 2009 then entered the Bulungula College in 2019 in grade 10, and they graduated from our inaugural school-leaving matric class in 2021. And then were offered the opportunity to participate in the internship program, which is run by our JSEP Job Skills and Entrepreneurship program, which is based at the Bulungula College. And then having completed an internship year to get work experience at one of the Bulungula Incubator projects, they then participated in our job placement program. In terms of the broader ecosystem, there's also a youth enrichment program, which includes a soccer league, a netball league that we run, talent competitions at the youth center. The Bulungula Radio is an incredibly vibrant project for young people, and then also our agricultural center assists with food security in terms of the seedlings that it provides, and also different farming equipment, water pumps, irrigation, and also advice for farmers. So it's an entire ecosystem that goes preconception to career.
We are like family in this village. We really care for each other. We know each other by names. You are safe to walk at night, and people are helpful. People are willing to help and are willing to give whatever they have to you.
iBI idlale indima enkulu kakhulu. Isakhele ikliniki kufutshane kuba ikliniki yayikade ikude siwela isikhephe. Kodwa yona idlale indima yoba yasakhela ikliniki kufutshane. Umntana wami ngoku ufunda ecrash, apho khona isiseko semfundo yabantwana, apho umbonayo umntana uba udlala kanjani nabanye abantwana. Uyambona uba ungumntana onjani, uyakwazi nombuza i-colors uba lena ikhala injani, lena ikhala injani. Uyakhaleza umbona umntana ukuba uthatha kanjani. Ngoku ndiyonwaba kakhulu mna xa ndiphuma apha ekhaya ndihamba nomntanam, mna ndisiya emsebenzini eBI, yena umntanam esiya esikolweni eBI eyofunda.